I was pretty blown away. He normally always his thing
I'm loading it. So
Hi, Saoirse. He likes to remind him to get gas, which is cute. Like, that's like every trip. Yeah, get gas. Don't put your gas. But I was like, wow, Liam, I mean, I wouldn't have even thought to remind your dad to get gas right. So good on you. Yeah, he's gonna be.
Liam, you're causing problems. You're knocking over everything. Okay.
Keep us together, kid in the family. And Saoirse's gonna be the. What are you gonna be, Saoirse? Keep everybody feeling good and entertained and happy and safe.
And also protected.
And protected. Thank you, Saoirse.
From strangers.
Oh yes.
Mama.
Stranger danger.
You're gonna protect me.
Oh yes, we will protect you. No worries.
1, 2. You're gonna protect me. Yeah. 1, 2.
Hey, Liam. Liam, if you have to do poo poo, please do it on the body.
Okay.
Okay. Turns out the devil's in the details.